Hello friend, welcome to my channel Interview Crackers. Today I have done part 3 CRUD app deploy on Firebase. Today I have deployed all CRUD operation on a Firestore database. So previous tutorial we have done insert, update, delete functionality in CRUD operation part 1 and part 2. Today part 3 we have done how to deploy Firewall app on cloud database. So go to your folder and type cd angular dash firebase app. This is my folder name. Enter. Now we are entering the folder. Now we can initialize the firebase, so type the command firebase init. It's taken some time. So in a previous you can see this is the option, are you ready to proceed? We can click yes. Now database hosting we can choose, then enter. We can choose the existing project, use an existing project, click enter. We can click the use an existing project, so we can define the project Angular 9 CRUD on a Firebase console, Google console. So once we choose the use an existing project, you can see here is a list of the project. We can choose Angular 9 CRUD, enter. Now you can see it is a asking database rules JSON, click enter. Then it is asking for directory, so we can define the under the, you can type dist dist slash my folder name angular 9 dash firebase app. This is my folder, so all angular app built in this my folder. So click enter. Now it is a to rewrite the index HTML, we can choose yes. So you can see Firebase initialization complete. Now go to next step. Now we can clear the console, cmd console. So type the command clear for clear the cmd screen. Now it is clear. Now we can type the command ng build for build the Angular app in a dist slash angular 9 firebase folder. So you can see process is start to build the app. I have already login the Firebase, so if you are not login, then type the command firebase login for login the Firebase. So you can see successfully build message. Now we can type the command firebase deploy. So hit the command. Now you can see deploy database hosting and deploy is completed. Now you can see the hosting URL, project console, all is successfully done. Now you can check you can copy the hosting URL for check the your site is running or not. So go to the browser and copy and paste the link and enter. You can see our site is successfully live on a Firebase. So you can see right now I have edited the one record in the database. So we add the second record, new employee 2, age and address. Create employee. You can see data is successfully insert. You can see the also in the database. You can see it is also successfully insert. Now you can add the another record, new data 3, age 54, address from 4, create employee. You can see again data is successfully added. You can also see in a database, so it is a successfully insert. Now you can delete, so you can see the message now successfully deleted. You can also see in database it is successfully deleted. So now we edit the employee, new employee. We can change the new data, age is 21 and update. You can see the message alert successfully updated. You can see also in database is also updated. So in a Angular Firebase app successfully run on a Firebase, so it is a successfully deploy on a Firebase. So this is a complete tutorial to how to deploy the Angular app on a Firebase. So in the next video we can done login, registration, social login, Facebook, like Facebook, Gmail, etc. So please stay tuned my next video.